Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Is there a reason why you're in here?
Yeah, me paré a comer uno de estos.
You're operating a vehicle past 6 p.m. You're in violation of curfew. That's why I'm asking you. What are you doing here?
Me paré a comer.
Okay, where are you coming from?
De donde vengo, no importa donde venga.
Okay, so you want to make this complicated? We can make this complicated. Step out of your vehicle, sir. Charles Willis, 38, inside Blue Moon parking lot. You have a wallet on you, sir?
No.
What's your name, sir? Sir, your first name?
No estoy haciendo nada mal, no te voy a ver nada.
Okay, you need to identify yourself at this point.
Why?
If not, you're going to be placed under arrest.
First of all, there's a citywide curfew. Okay. If you're not giving me a reason to be out here, then you're in violation. So I need your license.
I plead
we'll
the fifth.
cite you, and you'll be on your way.
I plead the Fifth
You
Amendment.
can plead the fifth all you want.
Okay.
Just we need your license.
Okay.
We need your license. That's all we
You
need.
don't?
Okay. Sorry?
You don't.
Okay, sir.
I don't what?
Put your hands behind your back. You can leave your phone recording. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You can leave your phone recording. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not giving you consent to go in my car.
Okay, I don't need consent, sir. That's probable.
What's a PC?
The curfew, sir.
That's not PC.
Go.
Hey.
He is being placed under arrest.
What's the 95 for?
We'll pay your ID first for the 38, and then unlawful carrying of a firearm.
Okay.
All firearms are going to be unlawful carrying of a firearm.
Unlawful?
Yes, sir.
Why unlawful?
I'm not talking to you, sir. You can place him back in my unit if he needs to get checked out by your RP. That's fine.
Okay, yes, it was received. It's still an open case. You're still pending front court, or if they're going to decide to proceed with it.
Oh, okay. And who decides if they're gonna proceed?
Well, the state, the ADAs from the state. If you don't have an attorney will be assigned to your case free of charge. That's they are the ones that are going to be communicating with the ADAs from here.
Okay.
Because everything has to be through the attorney.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, well, thank you very much. Bye.
Yeah, I had a question. There's a criminal case against me. I wanted to get information regarding my case. If there's any updates or anything.
Okay, what is your date of birth? The first and last name? Okay, I mean, what it says here, it's the case is still open.
Okay. Any dates? Any court dates? Anything?
No court date yet. I mean, you can call the court, the county court at law number 1, and they should be able to give you some information in regards to when you might have a court date. I mean, if you have an attorney, the attorney can request all those.
Right, but I want it for myself.
I'm sorry?
I want that information for myself.
Oh, well, I don't know how you would get that information. But you can try the court. Maybe the court can point you in the right direction.
Okay. Would you have a number for the court? 23?
4340.
4340. And this is for which court? Yes. May I know where am I calling?
This is County Court 1?
Oh, there's a criminal case against me. I called the DA. They told me to call you because I'm requesting the arrest affidavit and any evidence against me for my criminal case.
Okay, all of that you get from the clerk's office, not from me. All of that is public record. You go to the county clerk's office on the second floor of the Justice Center, and they will provide that information for you. You have to pay, I think, $1 a page.
Oh, okay. Would you have a phone number for them?
Yes, it's 523-4264, and I can transfer you. One moment.
Jefferson County Clerk.
I'm calling. There's a criminal case against me, and I want to know where I can request information as far as the arrest affidavit and any evidence in my case.
Is it you have a case already open, or?
Yeah, there's a criminal case against me. Yes.
Is it a misdemeanor, felony?
Yeah, it's a misdemeanor.
Okay, let me have your date of birth and your name. Oh no, you don't have a case open yet. It's for the carrying weapon?
Yes.
Okay. No, there's no case open. You can talk to the district attorney's office for information.
They're the ones that told me to call you.
No, but no, because we don't. I actually, like I said, we don't have a case open, so I can't give you any information about it.
So there's no case, period.
No case open. Yeah, it's up to the district attorneys if they're gonna go ahead and prosecute the case or not.
Okay. All right. Well, let me give them a call back then.
Okay, sir.
All right. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you.
I spoke with you earlier. You told me to call the court for a case.
Yes.
Yes, they told me they don't have any case open. So they told me that I needed to contact you to get any information.
So you do have the case open, like I said. It's the unlawful carrying with a weapon.
Right.
Yeah, the case is open, and I mean it's showing here that the case is with the county court at law number 1. That's why I pointed you with them.
And the phone up with them, they told me they don't have any case open for me. Period. So.
Okay. Well, I mean, what I'm seeing here is you might want to talk to your attorney, because I'm seeing here is that the attorneys have been talking to each other.
Yeah, but I want information for me.
I understand, but we're not allowed to give you information because you are the defendant. That is the rule that we have, but it says here that you have an attorney.
Right, but it doesn't matter if I have an attorney or not.
Let's see. All right, man. Let me transfer over with the legal assistant for this case, so that way you can talk to her and see what kind of information she can give you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
DA's office.
Yes. How are you? Yes. Who is this?
Who do you want to speak to, sir?
To the district attorney's office.
Yes. How can I help you?
What's your name, please, for the record?
My name is Nadia.
Nadia. Okay. They transfer me to get information. I want to get information regarding my criminal case. They told me to call the court for any information. I just called the court. They said there's no case in the court for me, so they told me to call you back.
Who are you, the defendant?
Yes, I'm the defendant, yes.
What is your date of birth and your name? Okay, and what information did you need?
Well, I needed some updates because I haven't gotten any dates, any information regarding the case previous. Arrest affidavit, any evidence against me, all that information.
Okay, do you have an attorney?
I have an attorney, yes.
Okay, then he needs to call our office.
No, I'm able to represent myself as well.
No, when you have an attorney and I have a letter of representation on file, we have been talking to him.
Right,
so
but
you need to contact your attorney, and the attorney needs to call us.
Right, I'm the defendant.
I understand, but when you don't, if you wouldn't have to hire an attorney, then we would talk to you. But in this case, your attorney sent a letter of representation stating that we cannot discuss have any communication with you. It's directly with him, so we can only talk to him.
Are you an attorney?
No.
Okay. Have you read the Texas Constitution, Article 1, Section 10?
Okay, I'm not going to argue with you. Like I told you.
If you to argue with me, I'm allowed to get information for myself.
Okay, not when we receive the letter of representation from your attorney.
That does not matter. I'm allowed to get information with him or without him. That's the law.
No.
No what?
Do you want to call your attorney?
I don't need to call my attorney. I'm getting information for myself. I don't need to call my attorney right now.
Okay, Mr. Rincon, like I said,
You
have a letter on file.
Law, the Constitution, Article 1, Section 10.
Okay, are you calling to argue or are you calling to
I
listen?
am calling
I'm trying to tell you. Let me call your attorney. Just a minute. Mr. Rincon.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Rincon said if you can please call his office, please.
Okay. Can I get that information I'm requesting, please?
Sir, like I said, when there's a I don't think you're understanding. When
No.
there's a representation letter.
You're not understanding the law. I'm explaining to you.
Mr. Rincon, I'm going to hang up right now. As I've already told you, I cannot discuss any information. You need to contact your attorney.
Nadia, what's your last name?
No, I'm not going to give you any information.
Nadia, your information. Your information.
I'm not going to give it to you.
Okay, I'm going to get that.
No, I'm not. Okay, that's fine. I'll let them know in the front too.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Thank you.
Me saludas allá al Pecos Man.
Hello. Is this a district attorney's office? Is this a district attorney's office? I wanted to get an arrest affidavit. Hold on. Yeah, I needed to get an arrest affidavit.
I know, but are you filming?
We don't use film anymore. Those like 70s, 80s. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Is it for me?
Can I help you?
Yeah, well, I was asking her, and I just need an arrest affidavit.
An affidavit?
Yeah, an arrest affidavit, yeah.
Okay.
For me.
For you?
Yeah.
Okay. Did she help you out already?
No, she called you, I don't know why.
Huh. Is he asking for an affidavit? Okay, alright. They're gonna help you then?
I don't know. I don't know why she called you.
Oh, it's because we didn't know what you were doing with that object, so I don't know.
Oh, I mean, it's a camera.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
we weren't sure what you were doing.
Yeah.
You know, with it, so that's why they called us. It was just an alarm thing, you know.
Okay.
It's not normal for anybody to just come by.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm a journalist, so I record everything.
Okay, well, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
So, that's fine.
So is there anything that we can help you, sir?
Well, if you can get me that arrest affidavit.
An arrest affidavit?
Yeah. Or is it with her, or?
Did you already give him your name?
She didn't allow me to give her anything.
Okay, what is your name? Let me take that information.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Take care.
Yo. Okay.
Can I borrow your ID, please?
Sure.
He came to pick up a copy of it. All right. Well, this one's coming over. She stepped out, but I don't know where she went.
¿Qué anda haciendo? ¿Trabajando?
Levantando una hoja.
¿Oh, sí? No, no está enojado.
Sí, ahí está. No, es que fue a hacerle copia. What was that?
What was the offense?
Unlawful carry of a weapon.
This case is still active.
Huh?
This case is still active.
Yeah, I need the arrest affidavit. I need a copy of the arrest affidavit.
But you can get that at the arresting entity.
They told me to pick it up here.
Who told you?
I called the court.
His own? We can give disposition. No, but the place is active.
But there's no active case. I called the court and they have nothing with my name.
I have here an unlawful carrying of a weapon.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the case is still open, so it's still, the case is active with us.
And I called the court and they told me they don't have anything for me.
The case here with us too.
Okay. Okay. I still need that affidavit.
Which office may I help you? Let me get your callback number, ma'am. For what? Okay. And what's your name? Let me call you right back. He wants the arrest affidavit. Okay. So lo voy. Well, he did not get it from it. Por eso you go get it from the PD. No, that's what I told him.
Huh?
You need to go get it from the police department or whoever arrested you.
Okay. So they told me to pick it up here.
Who told you that?
PD, and I called the court, and they told me the same
Do you
thing.
want a disposition or an affidavit, like the arrest
Yeah.
The arrest affidavit.
The arrest affidavit.
We don't give those out here. Do you have an attorney?
Yeah, I do.
Can you request it through him? That way you can go through the proper channels.
I can, but I'm allowed to request it myself.
They're gonna give you a copy of it, of something, right?
Okay.
Of what?
Sir,
Yeah.
what you want is a copy of your criminal complaint.
I mean, anything, but right now, anything you have for me, because I'm not, I haven't been able to get anything from anywhere.
And do you have an attorney?
I have an attorney, yes.
Who's your attorney? Okay. I'm going to go ahead and give it to you right now, okay? And then you can go and then you can take it to your attorney, all right? I'm going to go ahead. What you want is a copy of your criminal complaint, and I'm going to go ahead and get you.
I want anything you have that you can give me right now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you want to take a seat, that would be
Okay, thank you. Ibarra. Sí, fui Ibarra.
Yeah, they're gonna get you the.
Thank you.
Do you have a Texas ID or anything like that?
No.
That's the only ID that you have? The only one that you have?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. She's just gonna require a little bit more information.
That one? Yeah.
Before we give it out again.
That one.
Just your current, because it's a.
Sure.
Yeah, just your current,
address?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Is that apartment or house?
That's a house. That's your door.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure. This is your criminal complaint that
Okay.
you requested, okay?
That one.
Thank you.
Is that it?
That's it.
That one.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
Okay, have a good night.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.